Hey everybody, welcome back to BobkeTV. The mountain bike build glacial tempo getting together, although it's speeding up a little bit. Got the Drivetrain, local bike shop, total cost just over 400 bones, and I'm so stoked. It's really, for the price, I don't know how you could make components of this precision and quality for less money than that. And so I'm very happy with what I ordered from the bike shop. They didn't have this stuff except on the machines they carry. By the way, mountain bike specialist, Durango, Colorado, big shout out. But anyways, Dior XT from Shimano, 1x11. So this is the one. That's a 34. You know, obviously it has all the hoopty, you know, integrated. I gotta get a bottom bracket still, apparently. That doesn't come with crank sets anymore. That shows you how long it's been since I put a mountain bike together. But it should be pretty simple for my bike shop to put together. And it does have a nice convenient slot in there, so you can't mess it up. Rear derailleur, XT. The rear, this is the 11. Mondo Bizango. That's a 42. That's a 42. 34, 42. With balance, you can climb anything. Is this an 11 or a 10? Holy cow. It's an 11. Don't think I need bigger than that. But anyways, that's the rear cassette. Shifter with the cable already attached. Chain, 11-speed chain for your mountain bike. Who would have ever thought that? Anyways, I'm going to get it all mounted up. All I need is the brakes, the BB. I think that's about it. The pedals I have, you can guess what they are. XTR. Thanks a lot for watching, everybody. Keep the comments coming. I love the comments. Read them all. Subscribe. Follow me on Facebook and Twitter. And then you can be updated on when videos are handy. Have a great day, everybody out there, and happy trails.